Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to modify this bubble wheel balancer. This right here. This bubble balancer, you can buy them anywhere. You can buy them at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight I think is around $99 to $100. So I got this from Amazon for about $55. So it's a lot cheaper than Harbor Freight, which these are the same. If you notice, it looks exactly like the Harbor Freight that sell these, but you know, it'll cost you $100 versus $55 on Amazon. So Amazon is cheaper. And if you notice, either from Amazon or from Harbor Freight, you can tell that it's not accurate because it creates too much friction on it. See how it's, when you push it down, it stops right there because it's got too much frictions on it. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about? And if you look underneath here, that little pinhole right there, it rests on this right here, and it caused too much drag, and that's why you won't get an accurate reading when you bounce your wheel. And just so you know that this one is the old school method. It's a static wheel balancer versus the dynamic. Dynamic is basically a computer wheel balancing that where you can find them at Discount Tire or NTB. That's what they use, a big giant machine which is cost $5,000–6,000, and this one costs only $55. So you can save a lot of money just by doing static wheel balancing. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to modify it real easy, and it doesn't cost you any money. All you need is a drill and a 5/16 drill bit. That's all you need to do. What you need to do is widen this hole right here, this little pinhole right here. Just use a 5/16 drill bit and just drill it in, but not all the way in, just to widen that hole right there. So it would sit down here and doesn't drag as much as the original pattern that they did. All right, let's get to it. All right, this is what I use. I use a 2x4 just to prop this up so it can sit down in here and have a little gap on the bottom. Now you can start drilling it. Just be easy on it because this part right here is aluminum, so if you really push onto the drill, it's gonna go through. So just take it easy on it. Just go slow. Do the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, that should be enough. Now check this one out. You can see clearly. Man, that's perfect. That's perfect drilling right there. All center. And that's how much I drilled it down. So you don't want to go all the way down because you're gonna go through it because the metal is soft, it's aluminum. So, all right, let's test it out. All right, let's try it. Oh man, look at that. See how freely it moves? That's the way it should be. And this method will help you to balance your tires accurately. So because you know, you lower down the friction so it won't stop. You know, it won't stop quickly. And you just drill a little hole down there, right there, and it makes the difference. See? And that doesn't cost you any money at all if you have the drill bit. You know, don't forget 5/16 drill bit. Just drilled it down, not all the way down. And look at that, it's still going. So this is one of the best modification that you can do on this portable or a bubble wheel balancer. All right, I hope this video helped you guys out. You know, it doesn't cost anything once you buy the unit. You know, on Amazon, 55 bucks versus spending 100 bucks on Harbor Freight. It's the same thing. It's basically the same thing. They just mass manufacture it and then just send it to Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight increased the price to $100, and for Amazon, they sell it for 55. So, and anyways, I hope this, once again, I hope this video helped you guys out. And is one of the easiest modifications that you can do on a static wheel balancer. All right. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this video, learn something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Damn, it's still going. I guess it's not gonna stop.